Welcome back to another 5-minute market update. There's a ton to cover, no time for X, no time for news. We're just focusing on charts today. So the first thing I'm seeing is yesterday we had these TBO close shorts. I told you that we're going to have a nice bounce from them. Now we're seeing that nice bounce. We're only up like 2%. We still have a long way to go to get to that, 100K target. But the other thing that's really great about this is that BTC is now above its second line of resistance of the resistance fan. Now, the real question is, what's going to happen up here? Because if it keeps going in this direction, it's going to hit resistance, and it's also going to be 100K. But we can worry about that when it comes up, probably later today, probably tomorrow. The other thing to pay attention to is that we have all of these resistance levels that still haven't been pierced. It's super frustrating, and it keeps going, like getting closer and closer, then back down. But the thing that I like the most about this price action right now, all of these were upper wicks. Notice that? Well, except for that. But this is an upper wick. That was a really high pump. That was an upper wick. This is just candle. This is just like price action going up and up. This is great. We need to see a close above this level to claim it and to destroy it. We just take it out like that and we just go boom, 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 boom. It's going to take some more time. The one thing that I don't like about what's happening right now with price action, I know you're like, but Aaron, you just said like things look so great. Well, unfortunately, volume isn't translating right now to the price action. All imbalance volume shows us cumulative volume. And unfortunately, volume has been not so exciting. We still really haven't seen anything good yet. And that's reflected here in all imbalance volume, where we're literally just seeing it hug this line of support. That's not good. We want to see it push up. We want to see it to go back above this level. So we're just at the top of this range right now. In order for Bitcoin to remain bullish, it really does need to take out this previous top and really test 100K. That will get volume to come in. That will change the trajectory of on-balance volume. But until that happens, things are just kind of going sideways for now. Ethereum is also chopping sideways, but on the daily time frame, I have not forgotten the fact that we have two TBT bullish divergence clusters. This is part of the Better Traders Club Pro tier offering. These are awesome signals, and I'm expecting these signals to come to fruition, which means basically I'm expecting Ethereum to go up to $3,000 and actually beyond that. There's a huge historical short position against Ethereum to push the price down, and I'm seeing bullish reversal signals. I'm seeing RSI still looking good, still above resistance. I'm seeing marginal improvement on volume, but still, this is a good chart. Nothing really to freak out about, but it gets better. The total crypto market cap on the 4-hour time frame yesterday, it printed a TBO close short, that orange dot. Now, that's a great reversal sign. We haven't seen one of those in quite a while. The last one that we did see, or rather the last two, one back over here for a 9% increase, this one over here for 12% increase. I think we could all use one of those, right? But it gets better because Total 2 didn't have just one, it had 3 yesterday. Total 3 had 2, and others had 3 of these yesterday. You guys have no idea how bullish this is. Plus, yesterday, others market cap printed a TBT bullish divergence signal. The reason why this is such a good signal right now is because the TBO slow line is still angling up. This is so much more believable and so much more bullish than all the other false positives that I've seen before. This is an incredible signal, and I'm expecting others, meaning low caps, basically everything below the top market or top 50 market cap and down, is going to go crazy. And I want to share a couple of charts that I'm looking at that are like, oh man, we'll get there. But I need to show you a couple more charts that we're going to get into these guys, okay? It's all exciting. Again, good news. Okay, this is the inverse situation, right? So we have a TBT bearish divergence signal. This is letting us know that despite the bullish vibes that we're seeing right now, this is predicting that the price is going to go down, quote unquote. And the reason why this is more believable is because it's the inverse situation. The TBO slow line is still angling downward. Therefore, this is much more believable. Why is this good? Because when stablecoin dominance is falling, that means Total 2, Total 3, others, those are all pumping. This is a huge improvement over the last couple of days of this chop. It's great. And we also had that, remember, yesterday I said this is a good thing that we saw. The TBO close long. Just wait, because now we're going to break this support level and it's going to go lower and lower. You're going to be very happy. Just don't forget, I told you, I've been giving you updates. Others dominance also showing bullish reversals. We have a TBO close short here on the 4-hour time frame. On the daily time frame, we have another TBT bullish divergence signal. So it's just a matter of time. Now, again, we're seeing lots of good stuff. I know we're basically over 5 minutes, but I want to zoom through these real quick. Solana is still looking good to me. I like the fact that it had an RSI reset yesterday. I like this green candle after 5 candles of red. It is starting to show signs of struggle right here at TBO support, which is now resistance, basically here at $176. My expectation is for Solana to push up higher. It had a nice recovery yesterday, and I expect it to continue to move up. But the real question is, how is it going to react when it finally pumps up here to about 185 on this resistance level? We'll have to watch and see, but I'm optimistic. Tau is looking great. Remember this bullish reversal signal I shared? TBO closed short, and I said, well, let's see, let's hope. And it pierced above, and yesterday it pumped another 10%, and it continues to go up higher. Now this is overextended, so it should probably start to retrace a little bit, unless things are going to continue to push up a lot higher. But still, it's an amazing chart. S, which is Phantom, the rebranding, looks fantastic, especially when you know how to use the TBO breakout cluster right here on the 4-hour time frame last week, which is incredible. Sorry, this is earlier this week. And since then, it has pumped up 50%. You're welcome. AVAX, bullish reversal signal, TBO close short on the 4-hour time frame. NEAR has 2 TBO close shorts on the 4-hour time frame, plus these other TBT bullish divergence signals. I'm expecting NEAR to go up here and to test about 410 before it has a pullback. ICP, TBO close shorts. And I actually have a trade setup that I've just shared with the Better Traders Club, but I want to share with all of you to give you an idea of how this works. When I see good reversals like this, when I see good charts, when I see price action support this range of support, it makes total sense to see ICP go up at least 50% from here. Same thing with Filecoin. Filecoin is at basically, it's this huge level of support for the last 800 days. And we've seen File bounce and pump 300%, 170%. So our target of 96% is very modest. We have a red line right here. This is our DCA level. This is not a stop loss. It's not stop loss season. It's DCA season. Sonic is also looking really good, even though this is not Phantom. I made that mistake and someone gently and kindly pointed it out. But all these TBT bullish divergence signals and clusters are proving to be true. Yesterday, it pumped 12%. Today, it's looking good. I expect Sonic to go up higher. And last but not least, Maker is looking amazing. This one was a TBT, or rather, sorry, it was a Better Traders Club trade setup. And I entered this trade way back here on long-standing support. It did go against us, but I saw these bullish reversal signals, so I'm not sweating. I'm just waiting. And look at that. Now we're 28% in profit, have a little bit more to go till we hit 56% profit. So if you want trade setups like this, if you want access to the TBO, if you want access to TBT bullish divergence signals, go to our website and head on over to the club. And we have different tiers that lay out everything that you're going to get. There's a ton of stuff. It's not just indicators. There is a lot of stuff. But if you want the TBO, it's the trader tier. If you want TBT divergence, it's the pro tier. And I also want to put a little bit of a bug in your ear for all of you that are new to crypto and you still don't feel like you have a good grasp of it. I actually have a new course that's on mastering assets. This is a new website. It's a new partnership with Kitco, and you'll see me appearing more on the Kitco news channel throughout this year. But this is a great course for someone that's new to crypto, that doesn't really understand crypto, how it works, how it functions. If you're not sure where to start, this is a great place to start. And if you missed my video that I just posted recently about making a Litecoin DCA bot, it's going to pop up right here. Watch it. This is a masterclass. It's a little bit long, but I'm going to be walking you through how to make the most profitable DCA bot in this video. And until the next time, you know what to do. Stay awesome and stay in the green. Peace.